Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make a landing page on Boldtrail. So first and foremost, in this video, I am also going to discuss the products that has the best feature when it comes to creating a landing page. Okay, so here the first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Bold Trail. Okay, so just click on enter. After that, just type out boldtrail.com/platform/ and you'd be directed to this website. Okay, so right here, in order for us to access this website, as we have to call the sales. Okay, so they have this number. That's right. And then here we have to get a demo if we want to, see what Bold Trail can do for your business. So right here, just have to type out your first name, your last name, and then your phone number, your email, your company, your team size, and then your job title. And then after that, just have to click on submit. And then they're going to notify you when the demo is ready. And since we don't really have these details right here in order for us to get the demo, what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you the best product when it comes to creating a landing page. Okay, so right here on the product section, we have four different products. So we have the Bold Trail platform, the Bold Trail back office, the Bold Trail recruit, and then the Bold Trail marketplace. Okay, so for this one, we are going to focus on the Bold Trail platform or the front office platform. Okay, so this is the next generation front office platform built to power your entire business with powerful technology agents, teams, and brokers will use and love. Okay, so right here we have the customizable IDX website. So your productivity powerhouse, everything you need to grow your real estate business at scale. Okay, so everything you need to grow your real estate business at scale. Okay, so right here we have the customizable IDX website. So here you can keep your brand front and center, and of course showcase your local expertise with high converting IDX website. So you can maximize lead capture with a modern consumer search experience that rivals the portals, hyper local area pages, home valuation pages, and behavioral insights keep leads coming back. Next, we have the powerful lead engine. Okay, so this is the most robust and strategic lead gen tools on the market, help you effectively drive new business. So no matter your budget. So diversify your lead sources and drive more leads with higher quality and lower costs through in-house tools directly in your platform. Next one, we have the AI powered smart CRM. So surface the hottest opportunities and automate day to day tasks so your agents can focus on what they do best. So build relationships, improve productivity, and ensure maximum lead conversion with the built in, easy to use tools. Next, we have the marketing autopilot. So, drive up to 10 times more engagement with both new leads and spare of influence contact using a fully automated marketing suite. Okay, dynamic multi-channel campaigns automatically adjust based on user behavior, ensuring your agents deliver timely and relevant content. Listing alerts, market reports, and built-in video messaging helps agents stay top of mind to drive repeat and referral business. Next, we have the listing management and marketing. So, seamlessly manage and promote all your listings in one central location. Drive maximum listing exposure with integrated social media marketing, including one click posting to Facebook, bulk testing, and more. So capture leads and automatically kick off tailored nurture campaigns from your own branded app. Next, we have the seamless integrated front and back office. So, it deeply integrated front office and back office provides visibility into the entire transactions, ensures that the information is accurate, and creates a streamlined process from lead to close. So, brokers get a bird's eye view of the entire business. Agents have the tools they need to generate leads and close deals, and admins of course enjoys efficiency gains to move quickly and accurately through transactions. Now, for the business intelligence and analytics, so get access to mission critical data across your entire organization and make more informed business decisions that impact your bottom line. So, maximize business growth and minimize mistakes with unprecedented visibility into marketing source performance, agent productivity, contact engagement, and more. Next, we have the marketplace and integration. So, create your own unique tech ecosystem with a fully integrated marketplace for premium add-on solution and integrations designed to meet the unique needs of your users. So, empower agents and teams to customize the Boldtrail platform and make it your own one-click access to lead concierge services, seller lead tools, paid advertising, and more. Now we have the AI powered search. So, right here, it can allow your prospective home buyers to search the way they think. Okay, so using natural language instead of filters. So whether it's homes under 600K dollars in Riverland with white granite counters, or brick house with a single car garage and no HOA, the system gets it. Okay, so fast and accurately. And the survey says what buyers actually want. So for agents, it means smarter alerts automatically generated for re-engagement of cold leads and more powerful way to work your database. So, more connections creating more conversations. Home Search AI delivers an addictive search experience for your clients where they won't want to go back to drawing maps or clicking checkboxes. And when you're brand delivering that experience, that is a serious advantage. Okay, so again, if you want to get a demo for the Boldtrail, you just have to click on this get a demo option at the top and fill out these fields. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.